Hello! In this video, I will explain how to use the chat as a basic member. I'm currently logged in as an example basic member, and when I click on the profile picture, I can see that I received one new message. At this point, please note that just students can send you a message first as long as you are a basic member. So you have a new message from a student, let's click on it. You can see that you have a new chat on the left and it's gray because you didn't activate it. At this point, please note that you have, as a basic member, the possibility to activate maximum 5 chats with students. And you can check here how many chats you have left to activate. So in order to activate the chat, click on it and a question pops up. If you are sure that you want to activate the chat, click on Yes. Now we can chat with the student, but also as a basic member, you are limited to 5 messages to send to a student. And you can check here how many messages you have left. So you can see that we sent the message 5 successfully and that we have 0 messages left. So if I try to send further messages, I have to be a pro member to do so. Here is a useful info. When you from your side and the students from his side have 5 messages already sent, the students can rate you. And the rating is visible on your profile later, under your name or your teacher card. And in addition to that, the student can rate you again after 30 days. So if you need more chats to activate or longer conversations with students, please consider to be a pro member so that you can have unlimited access.